Names of two Zanu PF youth officials killed in Zvishavane crash en route to ED birthday event. Sabena mashoko pa update yakubuda pamweni nyasi kuzunzwa zvizere mazita evanhu awa vakatisiya kana kuti who were killed awa patsaona yakaitika muzuva rebhavhadhe remutungamiri wenyika. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda munamuri wanyu pamuchenzi. Two young Zanu PF officials Nokutenda Shambare 22 and Maina Mangombe 25 have been confirmed dead following a tragic head-on collision along the Zvishavane Road, 15 September 2025, while traveling to Munumtapa birthday celebrations for President Emerson Mnangagwa. The two were part of a group traveling in a Toyota GD6 Hilux, which collided head-on with an empty Zupco bus that was heading in the opposite direction from Zvishavane to Kweru. According to police, the party sources, the victims were senior figures in the youth wing. Nokutenda Shambare served as secretary to Zanu PF National and West Provincial Chairperson, Takoma Center, while Maina Mangombe was a well-known youth mobilizer. The accident occurred at approximately 12:30 p.m. at the 100-kilometer peak near the notorious bridge bend before Zvishavane town. Two other occupants of the GD6, including the driver identified as Bright Light and a yet-to-be-named female passenger, survived the crash but sustained serious injuries. They were airlifted and are now receiving treatment at Arondel Hospital in Harare. Burial details confirmed. Nokutenda Shambare will be buried tomorrow, Wednesday, 18 September 2025 at 12 p.m. at the Glen Forest Cemetery in Harare. Maina Mangombe will be laid to rest the same day in Sanyati, with the burial scheduled for 2 p.m. Party members and youth leaders are expected to attend both funerals. The accident has sent shockwaves through Zanu PF ranks, coming just a day after the same delegation and publicly declared its support for extending Mnangagwa's presidency to 2030, with the chairperson Takoma Center presiding over the controversial announcement. A full police investigation is underway to determine whether driver fatigue, speeding, or phone distraction were contributing factors. Further details to follow. Tomashoko aripo panguva ine pamusoro petsaona yakaitika. Pinangome section yedu dzinofungira emo todi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.